Hi! So we're gonna talk about how you can cut your own Marley mat at home. We've been getting so many requests on how you can do that. And I just want to say it's actually gonna be really simple. You're just gonna be careful with doing any of these work with your hands, but let me just show you the tools that you're gonna need. Okay, so we do have our cutting mat over here. So this is our Vivace Marley mat, our new Marley mat that's 5 mm thick. So I'm going to use this as an example. This is just a spare piece we had. And then of course you have your pen knife and your scissors and a little cutting tool with a little bit of a ledge and a flat plastic ruler. So I'm just going to show you the first way first, which is with the pen knife over here. That is the way that we typically do it. So all you got to do is, okay, if let's say there is your house and there is a pillar that you want to cut, you can just use the pen knife to actually just cut a little square edge off. But I'll just show you how easy it is to just use a pen knife and to really just cut down. Now bear in mind that I'm using a cutting board, so just make sure that you're on a surface that actually allows for you to cut, and that doesn't matter if you cut through. So when you're cutting, you're just gonna make sure that you use some force down. So I'm just gonna line it against this ledge. Now if you go out like that, you know, it's okay. Alright, all you gotta do later is to go back to it, but you can see how this tears, and all you need to do now, okay, I didn't go all the way in, but if this happens, it's okay. You just gotta slowly tear it out. But you see you have this nice clean edge over here. Alright, so if you want to go back in to clean up this edge, okay, all you gotta do is to line back your ruler and continue to cut. And there you have it, a straight line. Before we go any further, do subscribe and like our video here to get more tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comments below, and the whole Free Movement team is here to support you always. Let's go! Now if you're the kind who likes to mark first, you can always use a pen. You can mark a line before you actually do any cutting. That's completely up to you. But if you, let's say you just want to cut a corner off, you can just directly just cut a very simple corner out like that. A lot of the time I do freehand as well if I'm helping to build spaces, you know. So sometimes you gotta go in a few times just to really get that edge out. Okay, so you see I can just pull this off and have a very nice clean edge. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same with the scissors. So with the scissors, what I would typically suggest is to draw and mark a line first so that you can actually see where it is. But most of the time what I would suggest is mark on the wrong side of your mat, so don't mark on the upside. And then you're just going to use your scissors and you're just going to be really slow. Now this is definitely a much safer option compared to the pen knife over here. But again, that is completely up to you how you want to do it. Just got to make sure to go slow with the scissors. Okay, and try to get a nice clean crunch and a nice clean cut for your mat. Alright, so you can see this line is actually not as straight as it were to be with a pen knife, but it's still okay, it's not too bad. Okay, another way, okay, to cut the edges with the scissors would just be, okay, let's say you want to mark out this part here that you're gonna cut. All you gotta do is to use your scissors and cut. And you got to go to the other way and use your scissors. Whoa, and cut. Oh, I didn't go all the way in, so that's okay. Go back in one more time. Just do a little cut. There you go. Kind of clean. So this is how you can cut out and customize your mats if you need. So all of these little pieces here, you know, if you have no use for them, what you can do is you can actually make them into little coasters, or just as some decorative material. You know, here at Free Movement, we're all about sustainability, so be creative, get creative, and do what you need with the remaining of your mats. I hope you've enjoyed the little tutorial on how to cut out your Marley mats. And if that helped you, do like and subscribe to us over here on our channel, and we'll have more videos for you soon. See ya!